Hello, how you are doing? I am sure you are perfect with all the formulas related to statistics. So far we covered mode, we have covered mean, and we are presently doing median. Median has got variety of questions, and today I brought you another variety of the question. I am sure you like this problem. It is not like a usual problem given to you where the class interval is given. Here he has given you something different. From the following data of 100 policy holders, calculate the median age. Age in years is given as below 20 there are 2 people, and the data is observed like this. Below 25 there are 6 people, below 30 there are 24 people. See, when I said below 30 there are 24, in that 24 there are people who are below 25 and there are people who are below 20 also. So this 24 contains this 6 and 2 also. Like that, when I say below 60 means what? I am below 60, you are below 60. 59 years old is the person is also below 60. So all the entire stuff will come under below 60, means all those people are included in this 100. That you have to understand. So from that data, we have to write the data in class interval. I am clearly observing there is a gap of 5 every time. So what will I do is, I will take the class interval as 15 to 20, right? 15 to 20. After 15 to 20, I will write below 20 means 15 to 20, right? 20 to 25. 20 to 25 means below 25. Right, I have to write. Next I will write 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 45, 45 to 50, 50 to 55. Is it over? No, we have to go till 60. So last one is 55 to 60. So we have to write that one also. Now comes the very most important part, frequency. What is given to you is not the frequency, but it is a cumulative frequency. Below 20, below 25. So below 20 there are 2, means I will assume that between 15 and 20 there are 2. Here you don't have a problem. But when I say below 25 there are 6, what is important is copying down the problem properly from the textbook. Below 25, if I say there are 6 people, it means there are people who are below 20 included in that. So I must remove 2 people when I want to write between 20 and 25. So below 25 if I want to write, I must write 6 minus 2. What is 6 minus 2? 4. Let me put this 2 here. 6 minus 2 is 4. Now below 30 there are 24. In this below 30, if there are 24 people, means all the people which are below 25 should be removed to get the value of the persons between 25 and 30. Please observe very carefully. If I want the class interval 25 to 30, how many people are there? Below 25 all people should be removed. So up to 30 it is 24. 24 minus below 25, how many people were there? 6. And 24 minus 6 will be equal to what? 18. Next comes below 35. For that what will I do? Same procedure. 45 minus 24. What is 45 minus 24? I am sure it is 21. Now comes below 40 is 78. So between 30 and 45 if I want, I must remove 78 minus 45. 78 minus 45. 8 minus 5, 3. 7 minus 4, 3. Next, 89 minus 78. 89 minus 78, 9 minus 8, 1. 8 minus 7, 1. Again 92 minus 89. 92 minus 89 will give me 3. And then 98 minus 92. 98 minus 92 will give me 6. And then 100 minus 98. 100 minus 98 will give me 2. So this is very, very important. Now my frequency is not 2, 6, 24, 45. This is a cumulative frequency. The real frequency in the class interval is observed and calculated in this way. What you are doing median. When you are dealing with median, you will require a cumulative frequency. So let us again calculate cumulative frequency. Less than cumulative frequency I am going to calculate. So I will write 2. What is 2 plus 4? 6. What is 6 plus 18? 24. What is 24 plus 21? 45. What is 45 plus 33? 78. 78 plus 11? 89. 89 plus 3? 92. 92 plus 6? 98. 98 plus 200. And if you observe very closely, these numbers, cumulative frequency, are nothing but these numbers only. So I require frequency, I require cumulative frequency, I require class interval. So from this given data, the most important part is rewriting the problem in this particular manner. Now comes the next important task of writing the median class. How do you plot a median class? Based on the total frequency. See guys, when you add the total sum, n is equal to what? 100. There are 100 policy holders. So what will be n by 2? N by 2 is equal to 100 by 2. 100 by 2 is equal to 50. Now, where is 50? Just over and above 78. So this class is plotted as median class. I think I last time told you how to plot a median class, right? Whatever cumulative frequency is there which is just above 50, that class will be our median class. Now frequency above median class is cumulative frequency. This is the frequency of the median class, and here between these two lies your L. L is actually lower boundary. How do you calculate lower boundary? Lower boundary is nothing but this plus this by 2. Now what is this? Lower boundary of this class. What is this? This is the lower limit of the present class, lower limit of the present class plus upper limit of the previous class by 2 will give you lower boundary. General lower boundary lies between these two things if they are different. But here both of them are same. So both of them are same means 35 plus 35 by 2 is again 35. But if tomorrow you have 34 here and 35 here, then 34 or 35 के बीच में 34 and 35 in between will be 34.5. So your lower boundary will be 34.5. But in this problem lower boundary is straight away 35. No issues. So now I'll write here L is equal to 35. N by 2 value we have just now got 100 by 2 which is 50. Cumulative frequency is 45. Frequency of the class, median class is 33, and width of the class you have chosen on your own, it is 5. Now let us calculate the median. See, once the class is plotted, once you take the values, finding the median is a very easy task. So median is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H. So L, what is L value? 35 plus what is N by 2? We got 50 minus what is cumulative frequency? 45 by what is the frequency of the class? 33 into what is H value? 5. Now you have 35 plus what is 50 minus 45? 5. 5 5s are 25 by 33. Now you have to divide 25 with 33. Let us go with the division. In real numbers you have dealt with that. 33, 25 will not allow, so you will have to put 0 point, take a 0 here. 33 7s are, right? 33 7s are, 7 3s are 21, 1 2 carry, 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 2. 21 plus 2 will be 23, 231. Remainder will be what? 19. You can take 0. 33 5s are approximately 5 3 are 15, 5 1 carry, 5 3 are 15. Plus 1 16, 165, whatever, I am limiting this to 2 digits only. So it is 35 plus 0.75. Therefore, the median is how much? Median of the policy holders is 35.75. So my dear children, this part is not a problem because you will substitute things in the formula. What is important is writing the table from horizontal to vertical where the data is provided like this. In the next problem, you will come across where the data or age in years is given as above something, about 20, about 25, about 30. That also you can download or rewrite properly and then proceed with the median problem. I am sure you have understood this, and I am sure you can pause the video and you can copy the problems. Meanwhile, take care and keep trying. Bye-bye.